Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to delete files from your Lenovo Chromebook. So in order to do this, let's open our Files app, and in order to open it, we'll need to scroll down our toolbar right here. So press the mouse button, and now let's scroll up while holding it to access the Files app. It's this one right here. So let's open it. And here you'll be able to see a lot of things, and the first one is recent, and this is read only, so you can't perform the delete function in this menu. You'll need to find all the files that you want to delete right here in My Files. First one is camera, and here you'll be able to see your pictures that you've took with the camera. In the downloads folder you'll see all files that you've downloaded using your browser and etc. In the play files you'll be able to find your pictures, movies, music and documents. Now let's move to the camera, because I want to delete both of these files. You'll need to press on the file that you want to delete. Also you can hold Ctrl and then select multiple files, or simply select them by dragging like that. So now let's delete both of the pictures. I'm gonna press Ctrl, then select both of the files, and now press on this delete button in the top right corner of the screen, and then confirm with delete. Now your files will be deleted, and if you make a mistake you have a few seconds to press dismiss to recover the file. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and comment below.